Some days feel heavier than others, not because something bad happened, but because everything feels harder than it should. You wake up tired. Your mind feels slow. Even simple things feel overwhelming. This was one of those days. Hello, my friend. Welcome to Life Lesson English. Today's story is about a boy who almost gave up and the unexpected person who helped him keep going. His name was Eli. Eli was kind, quiet, and always trying his best. But lately, nothing seemed to work. No matter how hard he studied, no matter how much effort he put in, he always felt behind. Others learned faster, others succeeded sooner. Slowly, Eli began to believe something painful. Maybe I'm just not good enough. That morning, the sun rose gently over the town. People walked to work. Children laughed in the streets. Life moved forward. But Eli sat alone on a small bench near his home, staring at the ground. His books were in his bag, untouched. He had planned to study. He really had. But his heart felt tired. Eli sighed and whispered, "What's the point?" He had tried before. He had failed before. And today, he felt like quitting again. Just then, a quiet voice spoke beside him. "Mind if I sit here?" Eli looked up. An old man stood nearby, holding a walking stick. His hair was gray, his face was lined with age, but his eyes were warm and kind. The man smiled and sat beside him. "You look like someone carrying a heavy thought," he said gently. Eli hesitated, then nodded. "I try," Eli said quietly, "but I never feel good enough. No matter what I do, I feel behind." The old man listened carefully. Then he asked, "Do you see that tree over there?" Eli nodded. "I planted that tree many years ago," the man said. "It grew slowly, very slowly." Eli looked surprised. "But now," the man continued, "it gives shade to everyone." The old man smiled. Most people give up before they grow. They compare their beginning to someone else's middle. They forget that strong things take time. Eli looked down at his hands. "But what if I'm too slow?" he asked. The man chuckled softly. "Slow is not the problem," he said. "Stopping is." The old man stood up slowly. "Promise me one thing," he said. "Don't try to be great tomorrow. Just try to be better than yesterday." Then he walked away, leaving Eli alone with his thoughts. That day, Eli didn't do anything amazing. He didn't study for hours. He didn't suddenly become confident. He simply opened his book and read one page, then another. And when he felt tired, he stopped without quitting. As the sun began to set, Eli felt something new. Not excitement, not pride, peace. He finally understood something important. Progress doesn't shout, it whispers. Many people wait for motivation, but motivation comes and goes. What truly changes lives is consistency, showing up when it's hard, trying when it feels pointless, continuing when no one is watching. Eli never saw the old man again, but he never forgot his words. And slowly, day by day, he became stronger. Not because he was special, but because he didn't give up. If you're struggling today, remember this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to continue. Take one small step, then another. That's how success is built. Progress doesn't shout, it whispers. Thank you for listening, my friend. If this story helped you, tell me in the comments. Who motivates you when you feel like giving up? This is Life Lesson English, where simple stories teach powerful lessons. Stay with us. More stories are coming. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. This will encourage me and make my day.